Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Yeah. Guys, no. Ang naghamon, isang linggong hindi lumalamon.
Lolo versus Apo.
Oh, lolo versus apo. Yan. Ang naghamon, ang lolo. Ang apo ang rumisponde. Ayan, yan. Oh, 1 to 5 sila.
Napagod na ako.
Oy, sobra sa kalahati. Sobra. May utang ka pa. Wow. Yan po, ang apo, may utang pa. Yun oh. Tatalunin ka sa resistensya, sir. Okay. 1-0. Okay oh. Oy, sumobra lang, sumobra. Ayan. You know what the moves?
Ayan. You know what the moves?
What the moves? Ayan guys, 63 years old versus 23 years old. May utang pa. May utang pa. Okay, 2-1, 2-1. Ang nakatira po kay Junior. The third. Si Senior the third. Okay. Kuha uli ni Junior, so hindi pumasok. Yeah, si the thirds. The moves of the thirds. Whoo, watch and learn. You know. Woo.
The moves of the thirds. Watch and learn. You know.
Woo. And guys, another one. What the moves of the thirds? Ilan na? 3-2 na. Long range. Wala, hindi pumasok kay the thirds. Napunta kay Junior. The ball is to Junior. Now Junior play. Pinabayaan. Okay, para makahabol. Kawawa naman daw ang apo.
Talo si Lolo, talo. Wala na hangin.
Wala na pala. Sumurrender na, kumusa na.
Oxygen.
Dextrose. Ang winner po ay si
The third.
The third na, no? The third na. Guys, this game is brought to you by Ice Water, the energy drink of the poor. Lasang lechon.